it's Rachel. So for today's video, I have another haul for you guys. Level up ng ate girl nyo. Tignan nyo naman yung background ko. May pahalaman na tayo, di ba? So, ayun na nga guys. It is another haul and it's from Hello Molly. So, yung Hello Molly is an Australian clothing store and they were kind enough to send me 8 clothes. So, I chose dresses instead of tops kasi ang dami ko ng tops and sobrang dami ko ng tops. yun. Kaya dress naman ngayon. I had a hard time na mamili ng mga dresses nila kasi ang gaganda ng mga selections nila and I'm really excited sa mga papakita ko kasi sobrang ganda nila guys. Ang ganda ng quality, promise. They don't only sell tops, dresses, but they also sell bottoms, bikinis, accessories, shoes, lahat. Dahil your girl is level up, I have a discount code for you guys and you can use my code RACH for 10% off your purchase. So if you're curious to see yung site nila and also yung Instagram account nila, I'll be linking it down below. And also yung mga clothes na papakita ko later will be linked sa description box. So make sure to check that out. So without further ado, here is our Hello Molly haul. So dahil first time ko sila makakollab, this is my first impression sa kanila. So the first dress that I'm going to show you guys is my favorite out of all ng 8 dresses na papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan siya. Yes! Diba ang ganda niya? It's just the print that really captured me. And the fabric, you guys. Ang lambot. It's cotton and sheared siya dito sa likod. So it would give you that elasticity that you want. Dito sa harapan, parang may bustier na design siya. And yung strap niya is, hindi siya yung adjustable na strap na yung inuusog na ganon. It's a, parang tinatali siya sa likod. Ayan, may paslit na naman. So, I'm really in love with that slit. So, what I love about this kind of dress is you can layer it. Pwede mo siyang style na may t-shirt sa loob, ganun. Or you can add a jacket para medyo, if ever conservative ka, or just look classy and just wear it solely para medyo social tingnan, ganun. And you pair it with heels. Perfect! So, moving on to our next dress. This dress is my second favorite kasi you guys, look at this! So, this dress is, ayan, parang may floral print detail siya. And it has that puff sleeves na super uso and may buttons lang siya dyan sa harapan. And it's really flattering to wear. Ang ganda niyan tingnan. So, what I love about their dresses is sheared siya sa likod. So, it would stretch para mag-fit siya lalo and i-shape niya yung body niyo. So, and it's really pretty. And this is a perfect dress for picnics, yung lalabas ka lang, yung wala kang masuot, ganon. Parang may bustier type din siya. Ayan. And puff sleeves lang siya. Tapos may layered siya dyan sa baba. So, i-pair mo lang siya kung gusto nyo na medyo casual, you can pair it with sneakers, ganyan. Or kung gusto nyo medyo girly, you can pair it with heels, white heels para mas maganda. So, it would complement tong mga flowers na detail na white. So, yung next natin is this dress. This dress reminds me yung mga sa vintage movies. Parang ganun yung nafe-feel ko sa kanya. Para siyang 90s, 80s na dress. And it has that cowl neckline. And yan, may pa-drop lang siya dyan sa harapan. And it's really flattering to wear. Ang ganda niyang tignan. And yung design niya is a flower detail. This dress is a mesh type of dress. Ayan. Tapos may lining lang siya dyan sa loob. So, parang yung back part niya is medyo mababa kaysa dun sa harapan. You can dress this down or dress this up depending on your style, pero you can dress this down by layering it with a t-shirt underneath this one or long sleeves na turtleneck or anything. Basta you can layer this one or add the jacket, so it would be more casual. Pero if you want that classy looking, just leave it as is and just wear a baguette bag or a clutch para mas social tignan. Ayun. And this one doesn't have any zipper at all. You can easily put it on and walang hassle. So yung fourth dress is this. I don't know why I bought this one, pero I got this red dress. This red dress has this tie front dito sa harapan, and you can adjust to however tight you want it. Long sleeves lang siya, and may ruffle detail lang siya dito sa may and also dito sa bottoms. May layered siya na ruffles, and I really like that design. And yeah, I did not expect it to be in this kind of fabric kasi parang iba yung dun sa picture. This one is the heaviest dress that I have on my wardrobe right now. The quality is superb again, and ang sarap niyang ipangsayaw ng ballroom. Pang ballroom pala. So the next dress is this blue dress. Has a daisy design and floral detail na naman siya, and the floral detail is siya yung parang nakaangat na print, hindi siya yung nakadikit talaga siya na print. What I love about this is yung strap niya is stretchable, so you won't worry and you won't have a problem adjusting to it kasi siya na yung mag-a-adjust sa'yo, hindi gaya ng iba. Charot. May paslit na naman ang ate girl nyo sa harapan, and this one doesn't have any zipper at all, so it's just a one slip dress. Isang ganun lang siya. This is another dress na you can wear casually, and I would pair this one with a t-shirt underneath. So next is a pink dress. Tada! I think I'm adding pink on my wardrobe a lot lately. Medyo vibrant siya na pink compared dun sa pink dress na pinakita ko sa Zaful haul ko. This dress has a V neckline pero deep V ulit siya. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ito yung mga pinagpipili ko kahit medyo flat-chested ang ate girl nyo. But yeah, it's really pretty kaya kinuha ko din siya. This one is parang medyo formal looking na dress. Pero you can dress this down by pairing it with sneakers, white sneakers. Ang ganda ng mga zipper nila kasi parang hindi halata na may zipper talaga. Hindi siya ganun ka noticeable yung mga zippers nila sa likod, diba? Ang ganda ng pagkakatahi, ang ganda ng quality. And this one is parang linen type ulit siya. And ang ganda ng fit niya sa akin. And I got also this one in the size extra small. And I think I got all of my dresses in size extra small. Second to our last item is this dress. Ayan. Ang paras ko niya rin suotin. And the color, you guys. I don't have any dress na ganda yung color. So, I got this one kasi it's really pretty kasi it's so green. This has a flower detail. So, it has this thin straps that you can tie and adjust. This one also has that bustier effect dito sa may front part. This one is really perfect for picnic date, any kind of date, parang romantic date. Kahit wala akong jowa. So, our last dress is very different dun sa mga previous na 7 dresses na pinakita ko kanina kasi this one is a maxi dress. Maxi ba yung tawag dito? Medyo yan, mahaba siya na dress. And yan, may sweetheart neckline din siya dyan. So, may puff sleeves lang din siya dito sa may arm niya. But this one, yung sleeves niya is parang hindi siya yung totally na off-shoulder talaga. The fabric is really breathable. Itong dress na to is really giving you that curve that you want. So, medyo maluwang lang siya dito sa may bewang na area ko. this one is really breathable to wear. And yung zipper niya is dito sa sides. Ayan, may zipper siya even though sheared siya dito sa likod. So that is all of the clothes that I got from Hello Molly, and thank you again Hello Molly for sending me those clothes because I am so grateful. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope I could see you on my next video, and yeah, thank you for watching, and make sure to follow me on my social media account. I'll be showing them right here. So make sure to follow me for more updates and also see my fashion styles. So yeah, see you on my next video. Bye!